All right, guys. So just want to give you a quick video to show you what is changing for this week. I know stuff is changing and it can be difficult to get used to, but it is really trying to make things easier to understand. Um, I see some of you that are clicking that you've completed a video, but you haven't actually gone and watched it. So there's information in there that you need. So I'm going to change that a little bit just to try and help make sure that you're doing the videos. If not, then it's going to have to come down to comments about the videos, writing statements about what you learned from the videos. And I just really don't want to have you doing that. I want the videos to be informative when they're required, especially. So we're going to talk about that. So anyway, you're going to go into the classroom, and as usual, I'm just going to use block one. So there's a couple of things that are going to happen this week. You're going to see that your assignments are going to be posted. Granted, there's nothing posted right now. It won't post until tomorrow morning. But you're going to see all your assignments for, sorry, a few days worth right here. But then again, you're also going to go into classwork, and classwork is where you're going to see all your work. Now, this particular document here has not dropped yet. It won't drop until tomorrow morning. But what this is going to be is this is going to be where all the videos are located for those people that need explanations on problems or for people that want to have it read to them. So this is going to be, it's called in here it's just called a material. And so there's no grade for it. There's no set due date on it. It's just kind of a living, breathing document I'm going to be using. When you open it up, it will be all kinds of links, excuse me, to the different types of videos. So on the left here, if it had a specific date for the assignment that it goes along with that I'm reading, then you'll see that date right here. Otherwise, it might just be something that was generic about learning how to use Google Meet if you forget how to use it, how to get into the classroom, how to submit your assignments. The most recent videos will be at the top. So hopefully this is something that will help you. And that way it's not going to be something that's required. It's just always sitting here and I will keep making changes to it. When there's a video that is required for everybody to see, it will be an assignment and it will have a due date and it will be graded. So, well, graded in the Google Classroom. Right now, we're still not sure what the grades are supposed to look like as far as how we're taking grades. We're still waiting for more guidance on what that's going to be. So for right now, we're just going to go with the assignments. I'm still going to give a grade for the assignments right now and the videos. So don't get behind in your classwork. You need to keep up with it. Um, sorry. One other thing I wanted to go over in the classwork is this week on Thursday, you have a mandatory meeting. Mandatory. That means that you must check in during this meeting. If you don't, then I will need to know in advance or before the meeting that you are not going to be checking in during the meeting. There's two ways to get to the meeting. One is go to your email. I've sent you an email that has all the information in it. Also, excuse me, you have your Google Calendar, which you can go to your Google Calendar and see it, or you can also link to your classroom's Google Calendar right here in the classroom. The meeting is for Thursday, so you're going to see more of, I have more things on my calendar than what you will see, but you will see on the calendar here on Thursday between 8 o'clock and noon, you must check in for our Google Meet. This is, you go in here and you click whether yes, no, or maybe on whether or not you're going to attend. You can write a note here that you add a note that says for what reason you can't attend. If there's another time that we need to meet, then that's fine too. You'll see that I've invited all of the students. You can see everybody here in all of my 3 blocks. So everybody is invited during that 3 blocks. It is important for you to also see that when you come into the Hangout, you need to make sure that you mute your microphone, which is at the bottom middle of your screen. And you need to let me know how I can help you. When you want to join, if you click Join Hangouts Meet and click on it, it will open up. you go ahead and turn off your microphone before you enter and click join now. And it will take you in. And of course, right now it's going to tell you that nobody's here when you go in. So let me go ahead and close that real quick. But then you can go up to the side again, see who all's in the room. You can chat with people that are in the room. You can see the other people that are in the room. And of course, you'll be able to have conversations with them. Okay. All right. So this is in your calendar. It's also in your email. All you have to do is click on this link. If you are one of the people that is just getting notifications via Remind, then you can also dial in by phone. And here's the number that you dial and the PIN number, and we will only be able to hear you. So just keep in mind that we'll hear also what's going on in the background. So other than that, please go in and accept whether or not you're going to be there. Again, go in and click yes, no, or maybe. And you need to add me a note if it's no or maybe. What are the things that are going to keep you from coming during that time? You only have to stay for a short period of time, say 10 to 15 minutes at the most. After that point, I'm just leaving it open for that 4-hour window to try and get everybody in. There are no limits to how many people can join the room at a time. So make sure that you're still logging in. It'll be a good chance to see your friends. And also to get more comfortable with the Google Meet, because after this week, you will be using Google Meet to work with partners, work as teams, do your escape room together if you'd like to, and make this much more enjoyable to be working with partners. So if you have questions, please let me know. You can reply to the email that I sent you with the invite, or you can let me know via Remind. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure that you're watching it.